another human, a puppet. I'm a puppet, and I'm gonna play some Minecraft. So first, we jump right in it, and let's start. Oh, frick. Oh! Hey, there is zombie. Ow. 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 Frick. There's a zombie! Wait! Ah!
Pag lumagpas ka ng 100 kilometer, tatlong taon pa lang, o 2 taon pa lang.
So guys, I jumped into my shell and fall.
Nalalagdagan dahil meron mga critical level pang 25 kilometer.
So guys, this is a short gaming video from Marcus Gaming
Gagawin lahat,
because
ulit nila.
this is a brand new
Katapos nun,
from Marcus
after
Gaming. So please
balik ulit doon sa dati.
and don't forget to subscribe right
Kasi gusto
there
nyo nga sanang ipasok doon sa pang 20
under
lang.
the YouTube account. So as you can see, and don't forget to subscribe and like on this video, and don't forget to watch in April 22, 2017 in the Beach Resort in Azure from Marcus Gaming. So don't forget to watch that in April 22, April 23, and April 20.
Kaya ako na-check nyo sa
4, 5, the last that is the 5, April 5, April 25,
Roughly lang naman
April
yun.
25 is, I'm gonna upload, joke, Marcus gonna upload the Azure Beach Resort
Sana bumaba.
Family Resort Day. So, don't forget to leave a like and comment below if the video is great. So, thank you all for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next
Ayun
episode.
yung na-miss natin na dalawang normal yun with labor na yun.
Wait.
Biro na nga ako. Kasi baka pwede na rin yung gano'n lang yung labor.
Okay, I see you guys in the next episode. Bye!